Here is an example of creating a binary search tree. We will create the binary search tree with the following sequence of values 50, 30, 70, 20, 40, 60 and 80. Let us see the steps to create the binary search tree. First we will insert 50. This will be the root node. Now we will insert 30. Since 30 is less than 50, it becomes the left child of 50. Now insert 70. Since 70 is greater than 50, it becomes the right child of 50. Insert 20. Since 20 is less than 50 and also less than 30, it becomes the left child of 30. Now insert 40. Since 40 is less than 50 but also greater than 30, it becomes the right child of 30. Insert 60. Since 60 is greater than 50 but less than 70, it becomes the left child of 70. Insert 80. Since 80 is greater than 50 and also greater than 70, it becomes the right child of 70. This is the final binary search tree. This tree satisfies the binary search tree property where left child is smaller than the parent. The right child is greater than the parent.